Hello, I'm Monique Bigras and welcome to Gdańsk, Poland. Nestled on the Baltic coast, this vibrant port city of over 500,000 souls is a captivating blend of history, culture and modern energy. From the iconic Gdańsk crane to the grandeur of the Long Market, every corner whispers tales of a bygone era. Speaking of warmth, I encourage you to embrace the local traditions and savor the flavors of Polish hospitality. Let's embark on this journey together. We begin our journey on the Royal Route at the heart of Gdańsk's Old Town Long Market. This bustling promenade, once a central artery for merchants and traders, is now a vibrant tapestry of colourful buildings, charming cafes, and shops brimming with amber jewellery. The air is filled with the scent of freshly brewed coffee and the sound of laughter. Notice the ornate facades of the Long Market tenements, each telling a story of the wealthy merchants who once called them home. These buildings stand as a testament to the city's rich history and architectural grandeur. Be sure to pause at the Golden House, an exquisite example of Dutch mannerism, its facade adorned with gilded figures. This house is a true gem, reflecting the opulence of the past. And as you continue your walk, take note of the town hall, its towering spire, a beacon against the sky, a symbol of Gdańsk's civic pride. The town hall's clock tower offers a panoramic view of the city, a sight not to be missed. Street musicians fill the air with melodies, their tunes blending with the cheerful chatter of locals and the excited whispers of tourists. The vibrant street performances add a lively rhythm to the market's atmosphere. Before you leave Long Market, make sure to rub the nose of the Neptune fountain for good luck. This iconic fountain is a favourite spot for photos and a symbol of the city's maritime heritage. This is just the beginning of our Gdańsk adventure. Stay tuned as we explore more of this enchanting city's hidden gems and historic landmarks. Prepare to be humbled as we approach St. Mary's Church, one of the largest brick churches in the world. Its sheer size and grandeur are awe-inspiring, a testament to the enduring faith and craftsmanship of the people of Gdańsk. As you step inside, let the tranquility of the space wash over you. Look up at the vaulted ceilings, soaring high above, and marvel at the stained glass windows that cast colourful patterns across the ancient stone floor. Seek out the astronomical clock, a masterpiece of medieval engineering. Don't miss the opportunity to climb the church tower. Although it's over 400 steps, the panoramic views of Gdańsk are well worth the effort. St. Mary's Church is not just a place of worship, it's a living testament to the city's enduring spirit. After experiencing the grandeur of St. Mary's Church, we'll delve into Gdańsk's maritime legacy at the iconic Gdańsk crane. We've arrived at the waterfront, where you'll find the Gdańsk crane, a true icon of the city. This towering wooden structure dating back to the 15th century is a testament to Gdańsk's power as a maritime giant during its Hanseatic League days. Imagine ships laden with treasures from distant lands unloading their precious cargo right here. The crane's massive wooden wheels, powered by men walking inside, could lift up to 4 tons of cargo, allowing ships to be loaded and unloaded quickly and efficiently. Step inside the crane and feel the weight of history around you. Explore the exhibits that tell the story of Gdańsk's maritime past, from its shipbuilding prowess to its trade routes spanning the globe. Climb to the top of the crane for breathtaking views of the Motlawa River and the surrounding cityscape. Next, we'll journey to the European Solidarity Centre, a poignant reminder of the city's role in shaping modern Polish history. Our journey now takes us from Gdańsk's maritime past to its pivotal role in shaping modern Polish history. The European Solidarity Centre stands as a powerful symbol of the fight for freedom and democracy. As you step inside, you'll be transported back to the tumultuous 1980s, a time when Poland was under communist rule. The museum's exhibits, through powerful photographs, artifacts and multimedia displays, tell the story of this pivotal moment in Polish history. Listen to the voices of the shipyard workers, their words echoing through the halls, sharing their hopes and fears as they stood up for their rights. The European Solidarity Centre is not just about the past. It's a reminder of the importance of fighting for freedom and justice, no matter the odds. From the inspiring story of solidarity, we'll journey to Westerplatte, a place etched in history as the site where World War II began. We stand now on hallowed ground, a place forever etched in history, Westerplatte. This unassuming peninsula, just a short distance from Gdańsk's city centre, was the stage for the first battle of World War II. Here, on September 1st, 1939, the German battleship Schleswig-Holstein opened fire, marking the beginning of a conflict that would engulf the world. Visit the remains of the guardhouse, pockmarked with bullet holes, a silent testament to the ferocity of the battle. Pay your respects at the monument to the fallen soldiers, a poignant reminder of the human cost of war. Westerplatte stands today as a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of war. As you leave Westerplatte, carry with you the stories of courage and sacrifice. From this somber site, we'll seek solace in the beauty and serenity of Oliwa Cathedral, a true gem of Gdańsk. Step into a world of tranquility and architectural splendor as we visit Oliwa Cathedral, a true gem nestled in the peaceful outskirts of Gdańsk. Surrounded by lush gardens, this majestic cathedral, with its towering spires piercing the sky, offers a serene escape from the bustling city. As you enter the cathedral, allow yourself to be captivated by the sheer opulence of the interior. The high-vaulted ceilings, adorned with intricate stucco work, the gleaming marble columns, and the elaborate frescoes create a sense of awe and wonder. But the true highlight of Oliwa Cathedral is its magnificent organ, a masterpiece of Baroque design. After experiencing the grandeur of the interior, take some time to stroll through the peaceful gardens surrounding the cathedral. As you leave Oliwa Cathedral, carry with you a sense of peace and tranquility. We arrive now at a place of solemn reflection, the Museum of the Second World War, located in the historic city of Gdańsk. This state-of-the-art museum, with its innovative design and powerful exhibits, offers a deeply moving and comprehensive look at one of the darkest chapters in human history, from its origins to its lasting impact on the world. The architecture itself is a testament to modern design, blending seamlessly with the gravity of its content. Here, history comes alive through immersive displays, personal stories, and artifacts that bring the realities of war into sharp focus. Each exhibit is meticulously curated to provide a visceral experience, making the past feel immediate and real. Walk through recreated streetscapes, hear the sounds of air raids, and see the personal belongings of those who lived through this tumultuous period. These elements combine to create an environment that is both educational and profoundly moving. The museum doesn't shy away from the horrors of war. Graphic imagery and intense exhibits confront visitors with the brutal realities faced by millions. The stories of ordinary people caught in extraordinary circumstances will stay with you long after you leave. Their courage, resilience, and humanity are poignantly displayed, leaving a lasting impression. The Museum of the Second World War is not just about the past, it's a stark reminder of the importance of peace, tolerance, and understanding. It challenges us to reflect on our own roles in fostering a more peaceful world. From the weight of history at the museum, let's take a lighter turn and visit the iconic Neptune's Fountain, a symbol of Gdańsk's maritime heritage. This beautiful landmark offers a moment of respite and reflection amidst the bustling city. Here we are back in the heart of Gdańsk, at the Long Market, where we'll revisit a familiar friend, Neptune's Fountain. This iconic bronze statue depicting the Roman god of the sea standing proudly atop a fountain is more than just a beautiful work of art. It's a symbol of Gdańsk's enduring connection to the sea. Neptune, with his trident held high, represents Gdańsk's dominion over the waves, while the water flowing from the fountain symbolizes the city's lifeblood, its trade and commerce. Over the centuries, Neptune's Fountain has become a beloved symbol of Gdańsk, a popular meeting place for locals and tourists alike. Legend has it that rubbing Neptune's foot brings good luck, so don't miss the opportunity to try it yourself. Next, we'll step back in time at the Artus Court, a place where Gdańsk's wealthy merchants once gathered to conduct business and revel in their prosperity. Prepare to be transported back to Gdańsk's golden age as we step inside the Artus Court, a place where history whispers from every corner. This iconic building stands as a testament to the city's rich and vibrant past. Located just off Long Market, this magnificent building, with its ornate facade and grand interiors, once served as a meeting place for the city's wealthy merchants and a venue for lavish celebrations. The Artists' Court was not just a building, it was a symbol of prosperity and cultural exchange. As you enter the Great Hall, crane your neck to take in the sheer scale and grandeur of the space. The hall's vastness is awe-inspiring, a true reflection of the ambitions and dreams of those who built it. Towering ceilings, richly decorated with intricate carvings and paintings, draw your gaze upwards, while the walls are adorned with portraits of Polish kings and Gdańsk's most prominent citizens. Each piece of art tells a story, a glimpse into the lives of those who once walked these halls. Imagine the scene centuries ago. Merchants from across Europe gathered here, striking deals over glasses of wine, their voices echoing through the hall. The air would have been filled with the scent of exotic spices and the sound of different languages. As you leave the Artists' Court, step back into the present and marvel at how this building has survived the tumultuous tides of history. It stands as a resilient monument, a bridge between the past and the present. Finally, we'll conclude our journey at the Gdańsk shipyard, a place that has played a pivotal role in both the city's industrial might and its fight for freedom. This shipyard is not just an industrial site, it is a symbol of resilience and the indomitable spirit of the people of Gdańsk. Our journey through Gdańsk concludes at a site of immense historical significance, the Gdańsk shipyard. This sprawling complex, once a symbol of Poland's industrial power, became the unlikely birthplace of the Solidarity movement, a movement that would ultimately bring down the Iron Curtain and reshape the political landscape of Europe. As you stand before the shipyard's iconic gate, adorned with a monument to the fallen shipyard workers, take a moment to reflect on the events that unfolded here. It was from this very spot that Lech Walesa, an electrician turned activist, led a wave of strikes in 1980, demanding workers' rights and challenging the communist regime. The Gdańsk shipyard became a beacon of hope, not just for Poland but for oppressed people across Eastern Europe. Gdańsk's story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, the power of unity, and the enduring allure of a city shaped by its past, but always looking towards the future. As we conclude our journey through Gdańsk, I hope you've been inspired to experience the magic of this captivating city for yourself. From its rich history and stunning architecture to its vibrant culture and delicious cuisine, Gdańsk has something to offer every traveler. If you enjoyed this virtual tour of Gdańsk, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.